In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SEPA Direct Debit in your Stripe account. To get started, sign into your Stripe account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is head to the settings area by clicking the gear icon. This is where Stripe keeps the main account configuration options, including payment preferences and available payment methods. After that, open your payment settings. This section controls how your customers can pay you, so it's the right place to manage options like cards, bank debits, and other local payment methods. Inside the Payments area, click on Payment Methods to view the full list of methods that are available for your account. Now, look through the list until you find SEPA Direct Debit. Depending on your account setup and region, the list may contain several options, so take a moment to locate the exact one labeled SEPA Direct Debit. Once you find it, click on it to open its settings. From there, you'll need to switch SEPA Direct Debit on. In some Stripe accounts, this appears as a simple toggle that you can turn to on. In others, you may see a button that says, Turn on. Either option does the same thing, so just use the one shown on your screen. Before finishing, Stripe may ask you to review eligibility details or business requirements. This is an important part of the setup because some payment methods have regional or compliance-related conditions. Read through anything Stripe displays so you understand whether your business is fully set up to accept SEPA Direct Debit payments. If Stripe prompts you to save your changes, go ahead and click Save. This ensures the new setting is applied properly to your account. Once that's done, return to your payment methods list and confirm that SEPA Direct Debit now appears as enabled. That final check helps you make sure the activation was successful. If you want extra reassurance, test the payment method using a payment link or a checkout page. A quick test can help confirm that the option appears correctly for customers and is working as expected in your checkout flow. And that's it. You've now enabled SEPA Direct Debit in your Stripe account. This can be a useful option if you want to support bank-based payments for customers in supported European regions. Thanks for watching.